Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Pro Learning Social Science Chapter Entrepreneurship Part 2. In the last video we have learnt about the meaning of entrepreneur, the characteristics of entrepreneur, functions of entrepreneur. So we'll begin with importance of entrepreneur in this video.
Entrepreneurs occupy a central position in a market economy. They serve as a spark plug in the economy's engine by promoting capital formation by mobilizing the ideal savings of the public. They also activate, stimulate all dynamic activities for the economic progress of the nation, which can be the most dynamic societies in the world. Guys, please comment this answer below the comment box. An entrepreneur society becomes very prosperous only when it rewards and encourages the entrepreneurial activities done by the entrepreneur, because they are the critical determinants for success, prosperity, growth and opportunity in the economy. It is the entrepreneurial energy, creativity and innovation that trigger the production and sale of the new products and services. They employ their own as well as borrowed resources for setting up a new enterprise. He or she is one who undertakes the risk of enterprise in search of profit and seek opportunities to earn profit and strives hard to satisfy their needs and take a lot of risk. These are called entrepreneurs. Now we'll move on to the self-employment opportunities for entrepreneurs. Employed are the backbone of a nation. Some examples of self-employed are internet cyber shops, pop grocery, scrap dealer, etc. Government of India has been the forefront to promote private entrepreneurship by providing the socio-economic ecosystem for innovation and development. If a self-employed want to turn to an entrepreneur, he has to establish a business organization where the business organization turns a self-employed to an entrepreneur. To support this transforming, there is a ministry called Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, which is of beat for this change. When an individual is interested in setting up a unit, he can select any form of business which he or she thinks feasible. For example, they can select business such as advertising agencies, marketing consultancies, industrial consultancies, equipment rental and leasing, photocopying centers, industrial research and development centers, industrial testing labs, setting up of a cyber cafe, installation and operation of cable TV and network, cricket and beauty parlors. And there are many self-employment schemes. Finance is one of the essential requirements to start any enterprise. Without adequate funds, no business can be started or developed. To meet this requirement, the government both and the central at the state levels have set up several financial institutions. These financial institutions help even small scale industries by providing loans and large scale industries by providing big loans. Some of the important financial institutions are Industrial Development Bank of India, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, Export and Import Bank, Small Industries Development Bank of India, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India, Commercial and other banks, State Finance Corporations, Life Insurance Corporation of India, Unit Trust of India. Now coming back to promotional organizations, our government and state level, central level has introduced many measures to support the growth and development of our entrepreneurs. These entrepreneurs they learn training, financing and marketing with the help of this organization. Some of the organizations are District Industrial Centers, Small Industrial Development Corporation Limited, National Small Industries Corporation, Small Scale Industries Board, Small Industries Service Institutions, Industrial Estates, Kadi and Village Industries Corporation, Technical Consultancy Organization. Now guys, we'll go through an important and wonderful topic in this entire chapter, that is profile of some successful entrepreneurs. Number 1, Dr. Pratap Reddy. He developed India's first hospital group, the Apollo Hospitals. He created a medical infrastructure in India which made medical care more affordable and accessible for everyone. And the second one is Naresh Goyal. He is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. It is the India's largest domestic airlines under private sector. In 1917, Goyal took advantage of the open sky policy of India government, set up Jet Airways for operation of scheduled air service for domestic flights in India. And the third one is Narayan Murthy. He is one of the founders of Infosys Technologies Limited in 1999. Infosys became the first Indian company to be listed on National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. He has always believed that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are the key factors for the success. And the fourth one is Varghese Kurian. He is the renowned Indian social entrepreneur and is best known as the father of the White Revolution. Amul milk and milk products is the achievement of Kurian. He established a small scale Anand Milk Dairy in Kaira district in Gujarat state, and now it is the largest dairy development enterprise in India. And the fifth one is Dhirubhai Ambani. He was the most enterprising Indian entrepreneur. The Reliance company, which is started by him, is one of the important entrepreneurship in the world. And the sixth one is Azim Premji. He is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, which is one of the largest software companies in India. Ekta Kapoor, she is known as the queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms. Kiran Mazumdar Saha, she is the chairman and managing director of Bicon Limited. That's all for today, guys. For more interesting videos like this, you subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video, and we'll meet up in the next video. Thank you. Stay tuned till then.